Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to make your Instagram account private on PC. So let's start. Well, I'm here on Instagram, so now let's press the button in the right side and then let's select inspect. Okay, now we are here in inspect. Just click here in the option that says dimensions. Just click here and select the iPhone, for example iPhone 12. Okay, now just click on reload. Now you can see Instagram as an iPhone. So now for making this private, let's go to our profile, then let's go to settings. Here you can find settings option. Let's click here and then you can see all the options here. So now only you click here which says account privacy. Just click here, and if you want to make your account private, just click here activate and just click and switch to private, and it's done. Now your account is private on Instagram. Well guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and keep like to this video.